to this video demo on how to use Notebook LM from Google to summarize your letter PowerPoints or PDF files that you have, or it could also be an audio. So the important part to remember is that Notebook LM is another option for generative AI. You can have the similar to Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT, but Google Notebook is in a way allows you to upload your own source documents and then you prompt around it so that you get your data being analyzed by the AI and give you an output either in a text form or in audio. So that is exactly what I will show you in this demo. First thing is you need to look for your source file. So I'll have to look for the source file. So source file can be any file that you may have. So I'll go to I'm looking for a source file, so I'll just search for Commonwealth of Learning Commonwealth of Learning speeches. Okay, so I'll just go there, and Commonwealth of Learning is one of the organizations under Commonwealth of Nations or Commonwealth countries, and it specifically deals with promoting learning for learning in learning or education services in the member countries of the Commonwealth. So I'll just go to this site and get some speech that I want to look at. So here's a list of speeches for 2024. So I'm interested in this one here. So it says pedagogy for technology and edge learning. So I'll just double click that, and I will now download the PDF file. Okay, so this could be any PDF file, but I'm just showing you how this one example I'm just showing, but you can download the file from any website or any document, that even your lecture files that were given to you by your lecturer or course teacher in a school as well. So I'll just download the slide, and then that's the slide. You can see this slide here, and that's about 32 slides. So I'll just download, and then I'll save it in my download folder. So now I have collected my source file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Notebook LM and summarize that PDF file. So I click on try Notebook LM, and now I'm going to, this is one I did already, so I'll just delete this, and then I can create a new one, and I'm going to upload the source. Now let me just remind you a bit on this part. If you are first time trying to use Notebook LM, then it will ask you to log in using register using your Gmail account. So it's good that you have a Gmail account, which is free, so you can use your Gmail account, Gmail email account to use it. But now for me, I've already registered using my profile, so I'm able to get this. But have that in mind if you're a first time user. So I'll just go to upload source file, and I go to my download folder here, and I'm going to download the pedagogy for slide I've just downloaded. This could be your lecture files as well, any PDF document like report or anything that is given to you by the lecturer, you can use it there. So you click on open, and then you can see that your source file is being generated, and it's now being summarized. So it gives you a summary of what the document is about, or the file is about, and you can prompt it. So I'll just type in like, okay, summarize it. Okay, so when I say summarize it, now it's going to do a summary of the PDF file, and now it has done a summary. Here's the summary of the key points, and you got the whole summary here. Now you can go to the end of it and you can download the summary. Okay, so that's text. But the beauty is, if you want to get the audio, then you can have it as a two-host kind of presentation, and you can say generate. Okay, so this is an audio that is now generating the summary of the source document, and it will give you an audio version of the summary, and which is very good if you don't have the time to read the whole document or slide, and you just want an audio summary of the key points that were presented in that slide. So it will take a little bit of time depending on the file size and the number of depending on the file size and the content. So you can do other things while this is being done, and you can come back and check. So the audio summary is done, and you can see that there's a play button here, so you can play it direct.
You know, it really makes you stop and think AI is already making workers more productive.
So it's
That's a key finding from it.
It's now an 18-minute audio file, and you can listen to it. Very, very good, the audio quality. And once you are satisfied with it, then you can go here and you can just download. Okay, so you can download it, and you can have it as a MP4 audio file, so that you can listen to it on your mobile phone or your PC. So that's how easy it is to upload a source file and then onto NotebookLM, and then you can get your summary in text, or you can even prompt it to get what you want from that source, and you can also generate an audio overview of the file as well, and you can download it as well. Now if you want to just use this as a kind of like just to prompt it for other topics of interest, then you can just go to, instead of head, you can just go to discover, and then you type in the prompted the things that you are discussing. Let me just say computing programs offered in PNG institutions. Okay, so if I prompt that and I submit, then it will give me all the sources, and you can see the different sources that talks about, like the University of Technology, Bachelor of Computer Science, and it has got a link to the site as well. So you can see all these different sources in which you can go and explore the content, actual source of information that you are looking for. So that is the NotebookLM in its simplest way. You try and explore it and try to use it, and then you will come to appreciate the benefit of using this generative AI for your lessons or for your studies, as well as for work-related needs. That is all for this demo. I hope you liked the demo. If you want to see more of the videos that I'll be posting and you need a notification, please subscribe to the channel.